Is your LG Smart TV freezing, lagging, or acting weird? Then follow my steps because I'm about to show you how to fix it with a full restart. This will clear out all those annoying glitches and speed up your TV without deleting anything. I've got two quick methods for you, so stick around until the end of this video because if the first solution doesn't work for you, the second one will. The very first method is the easiest one, and we'll use your LG remote control for this. It doesn't matter which LG remote you have, the process is absolutely the same. Now grab your LG remote and locate the power button, which is usually at the top of the remote control. Once you find the power button, press and hold it for about 10 to 15 seconds while pointing it at the TV. Don't release the button even when the TV turns off, just keep holding it down. Keep counting, 5 seconds, 10 seconds, and after about 15 seconds you can release it. Now just press the power button one more time to turn the TV back on, and that's it. Your LG Smart TV will restart completely, and this should fix most minor issues like frozen apps or slow performance. Now if the first method didn't solve your problem, we'll try a more thorough method called a power cycle reset. The very first step is to completely unplug your LG TV from the wall socket or power strip. It doesn't matter if the TV is on or off, just pull the plug out. Now we need to locate the physical power button on your TV itself. This button is usually on the bottom or back of your TV, sometimes under the LG logo, but it can also be on the left or right side. Once you find this power button, press and hold it for 30 seconds. This will drain all the remaining electrical charge from your TV. Keep holding the button even though the TV is unplugged. After 30 seconds, you can release the button. Now here's the important part. Before you plug your LG TV back in, you need to wait for at least 10 minutes. This waiting period allows all the internal components to fully reset. So be patient, set a timer if you need to, and come back after 10 minutes. When the 10 minutes are up, it's time to reconnect your LG TV. One quick tip, if you were using a power strip before, I recommend plugging your TV directly into the wall socket instead. Sometimes power strips don't provide enough consistent power, and this could be causing your problems. Once your TV is plugged back in, you can turn it on, and it should be fully restarted with all systems refreshed. And those are the two methods to fully restart your LG Smart TV without losing any data or settings. If this video helped you out, then leave a comment down below and subscribe to the channel for more TV tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.